Hello traders, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com. Let's take a look at the markets. And we are up across the board over 2%, almost 4%. Yes, you heard it right here at freetradingvideos.com. Wow, that sounds cheesy. The Russell's up 4%. That is ginormous, huge, monstrous. Big day in smaller cap companies. Russell's. VIX, just a slight decline. We're at 36. So the VIX didn't, I'd like to have seen a 6 or 7% drop in the VIX. We didn't see that. So today, Fed came out, talked, GDP this morning. I mean, today was a big day in the markets. Let's blow this up. This is the S&P Daily. And GDP came out, we gapped up. Now, GDP came out as worse than expected. However, the report suggests that the recession, the stranglehold this recession has had on us, it might be loosening its grip a little bit. So everybody decided to rally. I mean, we popped up pretty good right out of the gates. Then we rallied higher today. I mean, we got way up here. The high today was 882. And that was after the Fed came out and said that, hey, central banks are going to continue to pump money into the economy. And that should help us out quite a bit. So they didn't change rates, which was another decent sign. And so we shot way up, but we retraced back. Now, the part I want us to be focusing on right now, and let me say this beforehand, it has been boring doing these videos last few days. I mean, I just want to fall asleep because this choppy nothing stuff. Now we have a little bit of activity because we popped up. And we smack our head right here at 874. And let me show you where we get this number. 874 was the high right there, and also the close right here, 874. Right there, we come across, and that's where we're at. And then we have down here at the 870 area, we have a swing high there and this swing high there. So these two teal lines coming across are pretty nice resistance areas that we want to pay attention to. But it doesn't surprise me that we came up, comes crashing back down, closing right there at the 874-ish area. Because that's resistance. Doesn't change anything. We're overbought right now. Overbought. Yeah, yesterday I said oversold. Sorry. We're overbought. And we're due for a nice retracement. I'm just waiting like the rest of you. We're just waiting. The only thing that's going to save this market to not get a retracement, which is hard for me to feasibly even consider, but would be if we were to build a solid base here. If we were to start chopping sideways, building a nice base sideways, I would say that's its only chance to not give us a nice pullback anytime soon. But I think it's coming. I'm sitting on a lot of cash. I did pick up a couple longs today, but I'm hedged with a SDS trade. So I'm just waiting for it to come down. I think that the market's suckering in the suckers, where you get a bunch of buyers coming in. They're late to the game. The buyers should have been down here. They're late to the game here, but they're going to say, man, this market's just never going to stop. Oh, really? About the time that you think the market's never going to stop is when it will turn around and backstab you. It will slap you in the chops and send you home crying, and that's when you'll get your big leg down. So somebody had asked, I think in YouTube, to show examples of a rounding pattern. And I should have actually went and looked for those before I did this video. So anyway, I'm thinking about taking tomorrow off, next couple of days off, do a little regrouping, and maybe a little fishing. I don't know if anybody out there, if any of you guys are fishermen or not, but I might even go do that. So take my family with me. We'll see. Anyway, how's that for random thoughts? So what am I looking for? I'm looking for, if we do continue up, we should smack our head right here at this area. Let me get a crosshair there. If we come up, smack our head at 893 area, and that will be resistance. But I think that we're looking for a breakdown somewhere lower than 855. If we can get below 855, that could be the beginning of our descent here. And if you haven't registered yet, what are you waiting for? Click on the register button, register, get your username. They're going fast. I'm telling you right now, we have over 2,500 people registered. If you want your username, I would get on and register right now. Till next time, we'll catch you at freetrainingvideos.com.